Good day everyone, this is PG Digital. My name is Samuel. In today's video, we'll be explaining the interface of Pixellab. So I'll be explaining this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this, when you open my project, you will see all the projects, all the work that you have done, all the work that you have done that you have saved. So that's about that. This one, default, like you are editing a file and you want to go back to default to its crash, so you click on this. All these one are templates that you can use. You can start editing from them. You see, this one has templates. So that's about this. So the next one is A. That A is for text. When you click on that plus icon, it will bring a new text and you can click on edit. So if you edit, you can delete it and write something. You see, that's it about that. So the next one is delete. You can delete the text. I'm not deleting it now. The next one is copy. You can copy it. You can copy it as how much as you like. So the next one is to font. We talk about that, like if you have something that is overlaying this one, you can send it to the back, send it to the front with these two buttons, to front and to back. This position, you can use it to move objects, text or shapes or image. You can use it to move it. Relative position, you can bring things to the middle. You can bring this upper or lower. You can bring it sideways. So that is the work of that. The next one is text. It's text size. You can increase the size here. So the next one is padding. You can add space to your text, left or right. So the other one is color. You can change the color as you like. You can change the color. Next one is texture. You can add text. You can add texture like this to your text. You see? You can see it. So it's like color. The next one is opacity. You can decrease or increase the opacity of a text or shapes. This one is rotate. You can rotate it. The next one is mask. You can mask in, mask out. I will explain about that later. The next one is fonts. You can change the typography. You see, I've changed the font. Let me change it again to another thing. You see, I'm changing the font. Font is like handwriting. Yes, it's like exactly like handwriting. The next one is style. You can make it to be bold. You see, you can make it to bend like this. You can make it to be underlined as you want. By clicking this T here, you are cancelling what you have done already. This one is curve. You can curve Then this one is background. You can add background to your text. Enabled. Use color. You see, background. You see, you can add background to your text. The next one is outline. Like you have many things that you have written. For example, okay, we'll talk about that later. This spacing, you can add space within your letters. That's about that. Line spacing. The next one, this line spacing, for example, like this. Yeah. So line spacing, you see, this is what it did. This is exactly what it did. So the next one is stroke. You can add stroke to your text. See, you can add throws. You can change the color of the stroke. We are not using that here. You can add shadow, inner shadow, emboss. I'll be talking about all this later as soon as the class goes on. So the next one here is this middle one. This one. So if you click on it, you will see sticker. You can bring in a sticker. Let's skip this here. So you can bring a sticker. You see, you can change the sticker you are putting. You can change it. You can change it as you like. So that's about that. The next one is import. You can bring a image or icon or no anything from a gallery. It's only a video that you cannot bring. See, click on import. You bring something like this. See what I'm bringing. I can use it in my work. So I'm deleting this. Let me leave it like that. So when you bring something, it will bring you to this editing thing. You can edit the thing that you have bring. You can reselect, clicking here. You can choose another one. You can delete it. See, you can crop it like this. You can change the dimension. You can even put it in a circle. So the next one you can copy. I've told you about copy to front to back. For example, is the front like this. You send it to the back like this. So the Samuel will be at the back. You can send them somewhere to the back also. You see? So that is about that. The next one is the position. I've talked about that. You can move anything. And the relative position, you can bring it to the middle, to the left, to the right, as you want. The next one is relative size. You can change the size. See? This next one is color. If it's a shape, you can enable the color, but it's not a shape. You are not using color. The next one is texture. I've told you about texture. We use texture for this text. For example, if you bring a shape, let me bring a shape so that I can explain the texture for you. This is a shape like this. If you want to add texture, you just go to the texture, on it. Let me bring this texture. See, that's how it works. So next one is opacity. You can reduce any opacity of an image you are bringing or text. Color filters. You can play around with the colors, contrast, hue, all those things. You can do it. Stroke. You can add stroke to anything, even image that you have brought in. You can add stroke. Eraser. You can erase anything. You can erase this part. Let me erase it. See, you have erased that part. So the next one is erase color. If you bring an image that has a background, you can erase the background through this image color button. Rotate. You can rotate it. I've talked about that. So that's about that. So the next one is draw. You can draw. You see, I'm drawing. You can change the color of the draw of the pen. You see, that is about that. Shape. If you want to bring any shape, you can bring any shape by clicking on shape. If you want to change the shape, you click this place. So you can change any shape you want. You can bring in this. You can change it to circle. You can increase the opacity, reduce it as you like. So this place you can we use this to create shape. I will be talking about this later. The next one is arrow. You can bring in any type of arrow. You can change the type, the dimension. You see. So that is about that. The next one, this one, This one is where you work about the background. If you want to change the color of the background, you can change it to red, to yellow, to any color that you want, to black, to white. See, that is color. Transparent, if you want to change it to transparent format, PNG format. Image size, you want to change the image size. That is the paper size you are working it. So we'll be talking about that later. Image, if you want to use image for your background, image from Pixellab, there are some image there you can use. If you want to bring the background from gallery, for example, let me bring one background from gallery. Let me bring this as a background, you see. So if you want to bring it from camera, you use here. So the next one is here. You can play with this. This also affect the background. All this affect the background. You can increase the noise. You can put stripes like this. You can increase the contrast, you see. So you can just play around with that. So let me talk about the one up here, the plus icon. You can bring in text, current date like this, you see. See the date I have bring. This date. I don't need it, let me delete it. So you can bring shape from gallery, you can bring something from gallery from here also. So you can here. You can also change the background, the image size from this place. You can put it on full screen. So that is about that. Here you can bring in quotes. Here you can bring in quotes. For example, let me bring in quotes. Let me bring this one. So you see, you can use it in your work. This one, you want to share it. You can share it to Facebook. After you are done finishing your work, you can share it to Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Google, Instagram, or so on. That's about that. This place, if you want to save your work, you can save as project. If you save as project, just put one name. Let me put Sam one. You see, I'm saving it. So anything you save will be shown in your project. Will be shown here in my project like this. This is what I just saved. Let me bring it in. You see. So you can always save it as image. It will appear in your gallery if you save as image. So let me save as image also. If you want to save as image, remember to click on this custom. Click here. Put it on ultra. It will allow your work to be in HD quality, to be clear. So it has been saved in my gallery. I can go and check it anytime. So that is how Pixellab work. Okay, I've not talked about this. If you want to all these things, text, shapes that you are bringing image, if you want to edit it, you want to do something about it, you can click here. Once you click it, you see, you can hide it by clicking on that hide icon. You can hide it. You can even lock it. If you lock on, you won't be able to move it. You see, you won't be able to move anything again. If you lock it, that's what you do from there. So here, if you want to look how your work is well arranged, so this is where you use. This is what you use. You will know if it's well arranged. This to zoom. If you want to zoom, you click here. You can zoom to see, to get a clearer vision of your work. You can zoom in and out. This is to redo. If you have done something like before that you want to redo, you just click on this place. So that is about Pixellab. Meet you in the next video. Bye for now.